Hey everyone, welcome back. Got a request for mapping out the wiring for the horn. So I just want to show you here from outside. This is the front corner of the car here. Up underneath here, right in there, you can see where the horn is. And the wiring and the connector right there with the ground comes in and runs into this sheath here, feeds back and goes in, basically back in behind the firewall and to the fuse box. Here's some information from the shop manual on the horn. It's kind of sparse, but this is what it is. Here you can see the horn relay in close-up. Here's the wiring where I'm pointing with the pencils, the location of the horn. Here's the wiring to the convenience center for the relay. And here's similar, shows you for the horn switch and the convenience center.